Welcome to Money Academy. What if I told you that you could make $10,500 just by sending emails and selling digital products? Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method to generate passive income using emails and digital products. So make sure you watch till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Money Academy for the best money-making tips. Step 1. Why email marketing? Email marketing is one of the highest ROI marketing strategies out there. Why? Because you don't need thousands of followers, and your email list is something you own, unlike social media accounts that can be banned anytime. Studies show email marketing has an average ROI of $42 for every $1 spent. Now, imagine leveraging this with digital products. Jackpot. Plus, with email marketing you can create automated income streams. Once you set up your email sequences, you can make money while you sleep. It's one of the few online business models that allow you to scale effortlessly. Step 2. What digital products to sell? Now, what can you sell? Here are some high-converting digital products you can create once and sell forever. eBooks. Write about something you're passionate about or an area of expertise. Online courses. Teach skills people are willing to pay for. Templates. Canva templates, resume templates, business plans. Stock photos and graphics. If you love photography or design. Printables, budget planners, journals, worksheets. Membership programs. Provide ongoing value and charge subscribers monthly. Exclusive reports and white papers. Perfect for niche industries and professionals. Step 3. Building your email list. To make money, you need an audience. Here's how to build an email list. Create a lead magnet. A freebie like an ebook or checklist in exchange for an email. Set up a landing page. Use platforms like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or System.io. Drive traffic. Use social media, YouTube, SEO, or ads to attract people. Offer value first. Don't just sell. Build trust with valuable content. Leverage collaborations. Partner with influencers to grow your list faster. Host free webinars. Provide valuable training and collect emails in return. Step 4. Monetizing your email list. Now, the money part. Here's how to turn those emails into cash. Soft sell in emails. Don't spam, offer solutions. Exclusive discounts. Give email subscribers VIP deals. Affiliate marketing. Recommend other people's digital products for commissions. Automated email sequences. Set up a funnel that nurtures leads and makes sales on autopilot. Use scarcity and urgency. Offer limited time deals to encourage action. Step 5. Realistic earning potential. So how do you hit $10,500? Here's a simple example. Sell an ebook for $35. Sell 300 copies equals $10,500. Or sell an online course for $150 and get 70 sales. Now, let's say you have a membership program that charges $25 per month, and you get 420 members. That's over $10,500 per month. The possibilities are endless when you leverage email marketing and digital products. Step 6. Additional strategies to boost sales. If you really want to maximize your profits, here are some pro strategies. Upsells and bundles. Offer additional resources at checkout for a higher price. Webinars and live Q&As. Engage with your audience and increase conversions. Limited time offers. Create urgency and FOMO, fear of missing out, to drive more sales. Retargeting ads. Use Facebook and Google ads to bring back potential buyers. Referral programs. Reward your audience for bringing in new customers. Step 7. Tools and resources to get started. Here are some top tools to help you. Gumroad and Teachable for selling digital products. ConvertKit and MailerLite for email marketing. Canva and Google Docs to create your digital product. ClickFunnels for creating high-converting sales funnels. ThriveCart for managing and optimizing your digital product sales. Now it's your turn. Which digital product idea excites you the most? Comment below. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my money-making tips. Want more in-depth strategies? Check out the links in the description for exclusive resources. Thanks for watching Money Academy. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Until next time, keep hustling and keep earning.